ESG, we need it like never before, and we need it to stick, but old habits die hard. In such a situation, if you meet someone whose product itself is ESG, it is enthralling. And that is why we are talking today to Ajinkya Dharia, the founder and CEO of PadCare Labs and 25 years old. Ajinkya's unique and successful technology helps to recycle sanitary pads back into cellulose and plastic. Ajinkya, thank you for talking to me on the culture of ESG.
Hello, Ash. Thank you for having me, and I'm excited to talk about what exactly we guys are doing and how it is aligning with the ESG goals.
Absolutely. That's what we are looking forward to, Ajinkya. So, Ajinkya, tell us first, what is the impact of used sanitary pads on the environment? Because I think this is a subject which was never looked at before with enough depth and seriousness.
So all the sanitary napkins or the diapers is a part of absorbent hygiene products. So before going in impact, I want to highlight the current materials that includes in these pads, right? It contains plastic, adhesive, super absorbent polymer, and the wood pulp. So basically, the sanitary napkins is, I think, born around 1930s, right? And before that, everyone is using cloth pads. And the absorbent hygiene products has a property to absorb most of the menstrual fluid or body fluid as soon as possible. That can give us a comfort. But these pads are coming with a high social, economical, environmental impact. A single woman, on an average, uses 100 to 120 pads, or single baby within initial 3 to 4 years, they use up to 5,000 diapers. And one diaper is equal to 10 times of one sanitary napkin. Also, if you look, talking about just for the India, although as per Family Planning Association of India, only 40% Indian females are using this kind of sanitary napkins, decomposable sanitary napkin. India generates 12 billion pads and 98% of this waste is going into landfill and water bodies. Because no one knows what exactly happening, what is the supply chain is there. And a single pad takes 800 years to decompose. Like, is equal same with the diapers, considering the materials that what we are carrying. It means every pad or diaper manufacturing on this earth is still on earth. So these 30 pads occupies minimum 15 to 20 liter of lands. And you can imagine